In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share content on Webex. To get started, open the Webex app and make sure you're already inside an active meeting. This is important because the sharing controls only appear once your meeting is underway. If you've just joined, take a quick moment to confirm that your meeting window is fully open and that you can see the control menu along the bottom of the screen. Next, look for the share icon on that bottom control menu. It looks like a rectangle with an upward-facing arrow. This is the button you'll use anytime you want to present something to the other people in the meeting. Go ahead and click that icon to open the sharing options. When the pop-up window appears, you'll be asked what you want to share. You'll usually see two common options here: screen and application. If you choose screen, Webex will share your entire desktop. This is a good option if you know you'll need to move between different programs, tabs, or files during your presentation. It gives you the flexibility to show everything on your screen as you work. If you choose application, Webex will share just one specific window, such as a presentation, spreadsheet, or document. This can be a better choice if you want to keep the meeting focused on a single item. It also helps reduce distractions, since attendees won't see your desktop background or other pop-up notifications outside that selected window. Once you've decided what you want to show, click the blue Share button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up window. As soon as you do, your content will go live in the meeting and everyone will be able to see it. If you want the smoothest experience, it's a good idea to decide in advance whether you need to share your whole screen or just one app. That way, your presentation will feel more organized and professional.